Virgin Galactic, why is it up today? One of the best days it's had for ages. Fantastic. Really great. Really pleased. Let me tell you exactly why it's up today. Has Virgin Galactic announced something? Well, we know about the factory getting completed, but that's not it. Yesterday it popped up on that news and straight back down again. No one really cared. It was expected. It wasn't really much of news. It was all as planned. Of course, it does mean that Delta is not running behind time. That's good news. And the factory got completed. It is good news, but no one really cared. It went up, it went straight back down again. Okay. So it isn't that. So why is it up? Well, exactly as expected. Today I said we'd get inflation down. I said 18 months ago, summer of 2024, rates would come down, and they will in September, 100%. Now everyone is starting to agree with me. So why are we red in the studio, and why is Virgin Galactic green? Simple as this. Rates have come down. Companies that hold cash, like Amazon, like Google, Nvidia, all of these things, Microsoft, and all the rest of it, they make money when rates are high. They've had no problem with rates being high. Is it bad for them now? Rates have come down. That rates will be coming down? Not really. But what it does mean is it gave everyone the opportunity today to trim off the top and take some profit. How many videos have I said that that Tesla is too expensive, Nvidia is too expensive, I only own the S&P? How many times? I don't know. I've lost count. However, today, on good news, the rates are coming down, inflation's coming down. That means people take profits out of stocks that have boomed and boomed and boomed. Makes perfect sense. You can see the Russell is up today. Small caps are all up today. Low quality stocks are all up today. It's only a short-term thing though, because now everything has become cheaper in Tesla and Microsoft and Nvidia and Google, and the S&P is down a little bit as well. Sold off, people will buy back when they've made some quick profits out of the low quality stocks. Now, I'm not saying that Virgin Galactic is a low quality stock, but compared to Google, I think and Tesla and Amazon, I think you'd agree it's a low quality stock. Some people would say it's rubbish anyway. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. That's for you to decide. I think the management are rubbish, but the product is great. However, we've always said when interest rates come down, that is good for companies that borrow money. So Virgin Galactic like today's news. Of course they do. Rates have come down. No surprise. I knew they would. I said they would. I put my money where my mouth is, and this morning I bought another $10,000 of the S&P. I'm now $30,000 in margin. 100% believe that the S&P will triple by the end of the decade, which is more than it's ever done. So I'm very happy with that. But that's why Virgin Galactic is up today. We can see the same with Rocket Labs. We can see the same with other tech stocks which are borrowing money that needed some stimulus. We've got a bounce today. It won't last forever, because what will happen is people will be very happy that rates have come down, or they will come down in September, which is great. However, people will take profits from this. It wouldn't be much. I wouldn't have thought it'd go much higher than this. Take a profit from this and then start buying in your Teslas, buying your Googles and all the rest of it once again. Quality always comes out on top. It just might take some time. So that's why Virgin Galactic is up today. Nothing to do with the factory in Arizona being completed. That was yesterday. It popped and sold straight off. Nothing to do with that. It's all to do with interest rates coming down. But that shouldn't be a surprise to anyone. We all knew that if you did your numbers and the calculations and didn't listen to people on YouTube and didn't listen to the pundits telling you one way to buy, then next day to sell, and God knows what else. We all knew that rates were coming down. And what's happened now? All the small caps, Russell 3000s, all popped up, and the Nasdaq is down today big time, whereas the S&P has hardly moved. And that's what's happening. That's why Virgin Galactic is up today. Do you agree with me, or do you disagree? Maybe you know something I don't, and there's some magic, and all of a sudden Elon Musk is going to fly and take over the company and God knows what else. Nope, none of those things. It was exactly as expected, which is great for you if you are an investor in Virgin Galactic. Congratulations. My suggestion, and it's not a financial advice, would be to take profits, because the stock's going to go to sleep again for another year, and re-enter the S&P. That would be my in fact that is what I'm doing. I didn't sell Virgin Galactic, but I am buying more of the S&P now. I bought another 10,000 today. Click above my head down below in the description. Over here and over here I'll put more things that you might find interesting. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.